Hi, my name's Rich Sparks, and let me tell you about 35248 Wright Circle, located in Sterling Heights, Michigan. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is awesome. Pre-wired for a backup generator, 2.5 baths, which you don't find in this area very often. Cathedral ceilings, fireplace. As you know, Sterling Heights is crazy hot. The seller is including all appliances, including the washer and dryer. Now, the first floor laundry, I don't know about you, but that's just crazy convenient. It's got 3 nice sized bedrooms. First floor, full bath. Then you have another full bath in the basement. We're going to check that out in a second. This is the primary bedroom. Now, some of the things, you have a nice backyard with a stamped patio paver. You have this finished basement. If you wanted to put up drywall, you could do that also. If you wanted to move your laundry downstairs or have a secondary, you could do it. Here's the second full bath. And you have this bonus room. You can use this for whatever you want. You need a private office, we got you covered. Now, you know, Sterling Heights is one of the fastest growing cities in Metro Detroit. Great schools, great community, so much to see and do. You're gonna love living here. But don't miss out, really, this house is not going to last. Please get in this weekend. Have a great day. My name's Rich Sparks.